Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this quick video, I will show you how to connect and pay with PayPal on the Walmart app using just your browser. First go to your browser, then search Payment Methods Walmart. Click on this one. This helps us find the official support article. This page lists all accepted payment methods. Now scroll down until you see the section called Add a Payment Method. This includes steps to connect your PayPal account. To connect PayPal account, you will need to follow these steps inside the Walmart app. First step, open the app. Then tap account. Then go to wallet. Then tap add new payment method. After that, select PayPal. Then enter your login and lastly, tap save. Once you have added PayPal to your wallet, you will be able to select it as a payment method during checkout. Doesn't matter if it's online or in store. And that's it. Follow these steps, you will be able to ready to pay with PayPal at Walmart in no time. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thank you.